If you want to show your Spotify music activity on Discord and share what you are listening to with friends, don't worry. Discord allows you to connect your Spotify account directly to your profile so others can see your current songs and in some cases even listen along with you. This feature is great for music lovers, gaming communities, friend groups, and anyone who wants to make their Discord profile more interactive. The good news is that connecting Spotify to Discord only takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to connect Spotify to Discord in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open Discord and sign into your account. You can use either the desktop application or the Discord website. Once Discord is open, look for the gear-shaped user settings icon near the bottom left corner of the screen and click it. Inside User Settings, scroll down until you find the section called Connections. Click on Connections to view the list of external services that can be linked to your Discord account. At the top of the Connections page, you will see several platform icons. Look for the Spotify icon and click it. As soon as you click the icon, Discord will open a Spotify authorization window in your browser. If you are not already signed in to Spotify, enter your Spotify account credentials and log in. Make sure you use the Spotify account that you want connected to Discord. After signing in, Spotify will display a permissions page explaining what information Discord can access. Review the permissions and click Agree or Authorize to continue. Once authorization is complete, the browser window will close automatically or redirect back to Discord. Return to Discord and you should now see Spotify listed in your Connections section. At this point, Discord may display several options related to your Spotify account. One option allows Spotify to appear on your profile, while another allows your listening activity to be shown to other users. Enable the options you want to use. Now, open Spotify and begin playing a song. After a few moments, Discord should automatically detect your music activity. Friends who view your profile may be able to see the song title, artist name, and listening status depending on your privacy settings. If the listening activity does not appear immediately, wait a minute and make sure both Spotify and Discord are running. Sometimes it takes a short time for the connection to update. Another useful feature is Listen Along. If you have Spotify Premium, certain friends may be able to listen to the same music you are playing directly through Discord. This can be a fun way to enjoy music together while chatting. If you ever want to disconnect Spotify, simply return to the Connections section in Discord settings. Click the Remove or Disconnect option next to Spotify and confirm your choice. The connection will be removed immediately. If Spotify is not connecting properly, make sure both applications are updated to the latest version. Logging out and back into both accounts can also resolve many connection-related issues. You should also verify that your internet connection is stable and that your browser is not blocking authorization pop-ups during the connection process. So that's the easiest way to connect Spotify to Discord in 2026. The main steps are opening User Settings, navigating to Connections, selecting Spotify, authorizing access, and enabling profile and activity visibility options. Most users can complete the setup within just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tutorials, music integration tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.